Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am in my room and today I was practicing speaking English alone. Right now I opened my phone and I came in front of camera to practice speaking English because I slightly improved my speaking English because of making video. Okay, last couple of months I am continuously making video to improve my fluency, so it's very excellent way to improve our speaking English. Okay, so you can practice in front of camera to improve your speaking English every day. Okay, so today uh, what I do nothing in today. Okay, and but I was supposed to go to somewhere, but I didn't go with my friend. Okay, he told me that he will take me with him, but he go to the somewhere except me. Bro, where did you go today? Why did you go today?
No, I am very tired.
Okay, no problem. And where did you go today?
কোথা থেকে আসছে?
কোথায়?
এটা
Okay.
কাটেন না, এটা কাটেন।
Okay, today my friend roamed surroundings. He today went the economic bovon in the area, but he don't take me because but he promised me that he would take me. Okay, but no problem. Next day I will go with him. Okay, and but right now he is very tired. That's why he didn't come to in front of camera to practice speaking English. And right now he having relax under the fan. Okay, and right now
Very upset.
and also sometimes he feel disappointment. Same to me. Everyone have some disappointment in their life. Okay, but we have to cope with it. We have to control our disappointment. Okay, so you can try to remove your depression, disappointment by mix with the people, because whenever you mix with the people, it will refresh your mind. You can talk lots of things with other friends and it enjoyable. And you can sometimes walk in the afternoon with your friend, with your family member. It will reduce your stress. Okay, so in this way we can reduce our stress, frustration. Okay, so I told you about this because I am practicing speaking English, because whatever comes in my mind I try to say in English, because it is first level in English to improve our speaking. Okay, so you have to practice regularly to improve your spoken English. I will come again in front of you with another new session. Till then, goodbye.